Vlogmas day 22. We're getting there. We're getting there. All right, let me go ahead and show you what the coffee of the day is because I'm ready for some coffee. All right. Day 22. Ora fino. Okay, it's another espresso. It's a strength level 6. I don't know that I've ever tried this one. I'm going to be honest with you. I don't remember it. So we shall see. I'm going to go ahead and make myself a short coffee today. We have very cool light today. It is very rainy and gray outside at the moment. But here's my little espresso, my 2-sipper. This one is very good. I like this one. It is one of those types that is my favorite coffee. Middle of the road, not too strong, not too weak, nice and nutty, lovely body. I love it. I'm going to enjoy all 3 sips. So good. I am going to have my pie, sit down and figure out what I'm doing today, and I will come in and check on you. I know I've been such a terrible vlogger these last couple of days. The weekends are kind of different. So anyway, I will talk with you in a little bit, go over what we're going to do today. It looks like we are getting some snow. Very, very wet snow. Not sticking, but still. We got a wintry mix happening today. I love it. It's supposed to snow on Christmas Day. Wouldn't you just know it? When I'm not vlogging. But we do have some very wet, drippy snow happening out there. It looks like it's getting a little bit thicker. Well, how nice. So it's been a day of loading up my video for today. I completely forgot that I had a video that I needed to do today. Let me show you my lunch real quick. Eggs on toast. Yeah, it's more like a brunch. But I wanted to do the wine pull before I have my lunch because as soon as I'm done with my lunch, I need to get busy with all of my admin work. I've got to do some scheduling. I have to reach out to some of the folks in the membership to set appointments. And just another busy day. So let's pull the wine for yesterday and today. Okay, so we have day 21. And, day 21 is another flippin' La Pluma Rosé. I guess I have a very strong relationship with this particular vineyard. Okay, zesty grapefruits, strawberry, raspberry. I know I've had this before. I know I have. This was one of the first rosés, so they're repeating. They are repeating wines. I'm not sure how I feel about that. All right, and then on the 22nd, we have got a Grenache. Okay, so we've got a Grenache. So the other red labeled one that we had was apparently, okay, so we're repeating again. We are repeating the Grenache as well. And the tasting notes are strawberry, grilled fig, and plum. Thankfully, this was a really, really good one. I enjoyed this one quite a bit. So we've got 2 more, and you know, we've fallen a little bit short on the Washington wine. So I'm wondering if maybe that's where we've got some inconsistencies. Okay. Well, anyway, I'm going to pop the rosé in the fridge. I'm going to pop the Grenache at the coffee station. And then Angie has committed to helping me drink these wines. So we're not going to drink them all tonight. I need to figure out which ones we are going to drink. And I already pulled the Indian food out of the freezer. So we're probably going to have the Viognier tonight. And maybe I'll have the rosé while I'm cooking. Anyway, those are the wines for the day. So sorry for falling behind, but we are working to catch up. And yeah, so I guess I'll talk with you guys again in a little while after I'm done with my admin duties because I have to do dishes. I'm gonna go ahead and get back to work, have my lunch, get back to work, and then I will check in later because I've got to get the dishes done. They are piling up in a major way, and so that has to get done. So you'll get to watch me doing dishes again later. But we're also gonna be cleaning the back half of the downstairs of the house. Since we're not going anywhere, we want to get that done together.
It's cold outside, it tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind, I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why.
Hello. Just showing you cleaning the living room because I told them we were going to clean.
Oh. See, I actually know.
Snowing, it's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. It's the time of year, my winter wonderland, my winter wonderland. I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland.
So, costume change, by the way. I didn't mention it. I was wearing my dark green silk blend sweater that I got from Banana Republic earlier today. And because I'm washing dishes, I didn't want to have to roll up the sleeves. So, I instead changed into my trusty old red free assembly sweater. I really need to get myself the other color that they have. It's an ivory, and I think I would like it. First wine opening of the day. We're only doing 2. I'm splitting this one with Angie. I'm having the Bonnier with with my dinner. This is the La Pluma Rosé. It is the repeat that we had. This has notes of zesty grapefruit, strawberry, and raspberry, I think. So it's a repeat. I'm really annoyed about that. It's not cool that they did repeats. Okay. Cheers. It's good, at any rate. All right, I will be tasting again before dinner or at dinner. I'll see you in a bit. Finally, opening up the Good Theory Bonnier. I can't remember the notes. If I remember to put them at the bottom of the screen, I will. But let me show you what I have for dinner. Indian food. It's chicken tikka masala over rice. And we're going to see if this wine goes. The chicken tikka masala is actually, this smells very much like, it reminds me of a Sauvignon Blanc. It's good. It is good. It's nice and crisp. And has a lovely, it has a really lovely floral note to it. All right, let's see if it's a good pairing with Indian food. Chicken tikka masala is one of my favorites. I did add a little bit of Indian chili powder to this because it wasn't quite spicy enough for me the last time.
That explains it.
It's a very lovely compliment. Yes, that is a good mix. I'm a happy girl. All right, guys. I know that this vlog was kind of a little bit sketched like the last few vlogs have been, and I apologize about that. It's just been really busy with a lot of desk work or stuff that we have to do away from the house. I appreciate you watching though. Thank you as always so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. And I will see you in tomorrow's vlog. Bye.